Magandang hapon po ng Monday, November 13, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, November 13, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 13, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, November 13, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for November 13, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, November 13, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.